Challenges of workplace safety.
As mentioned in the previous section, workplace safety requires a significant financial investment and offers no immediate financial profit. This reality marks a critical turning point for many business owners and executives who strive every day to keep their companies running smoothly. If a company enjoys high profit margins, allocating part of the budget to safety may not pose a major challenge. But for companies operating with low margins, the challenge is real. It's at this point that tough questions arise. Is the product or service priced correctly? Are there inefficiencies or waste in the process that are costing us money? Should the cost of production be re-evaluated to include the expenses related to workplace safety? Now, some world-class companies have already solved this. They have robust safety management systems in place, with clear authority across their operations. And to ensure these systems work, they assign substantial budgets to meet both internal and external requirements. For service-based businesses, implementing safety systems is often simpler. Their operations usually don't face the same pressures as production-driven companies. But let's talk about manufacturing companies, especially emerging businesses. They may be growing fast, successful, but still nowhere near the scale of a multinational. And here's where the real challenge begins. Introducing new expenses, pausing operations, or restricting certain tasks to comply with safety protocols often triggers pushback from business leaders, executives, and production managers. Why? Because for many, these are new concepts. And that naturally leads to a difficult outcome: reduced profit margins. But it doesn't stop there. These changes also impact productivity. Employees now need to spend time in training, inspect machines before using them, or apply lockout-tagout procedures. It's not just a cost, it's a shift in how time is managed. And what about the existing production process? Every second is calculated, time, movements, labor, margin, all optimized. Now imagine adding new safety steps that don't shorten the cycle or increase revenue, but instead make production take longer. Why does this happen? Because safety was never part of the original plan. And that was the real mistake. Most of the time, it comes down to a knowledge gap. Process designers are often trained solely in industrial engineering, focused on productivity, not safety. The same goes for many entrepreneurs and executives. They know finance, marketing, growth strategy. But when it comes to workplace safety, they may have only taken a basic course early in their careers, and it didn't stick. Another root cause? Leadership experience. Many of the people promoted into executive roles come from production, engineering, maintenance, or finance. They are excellent at optimizing systems, but often lack real exposure to occupational safety. And let's be honest, how often do you see a safety professional promoted to an executive role outside the safety department? Think about it. If you know someone who has, chances are they've prioritized safety and allocated more resources to that area because they know what it really takes. They've been there. They've seen the risks. They understand firsthand the level of support and investment required to operate an effective safety program.